Meanwhile, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Nirupam has reacted to the speculation of Eknath Shinde's MLAs joining the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction, saying that this is pure propaganda being spread by the Uddhav Sena. He said not a single MLA of the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena is in contact with the UBT.
यह शिवसेना उबाठा की तरफ से चलाया हुआ एक दुष्प्रचार है, यह महज अफवाह है। शिवसेना का एक भी विधायक उबाठा के संपर्क में नहीं है। शिवसेना के संदर्भ में 100% गारंटी के साथ कह सकता हूं, कोई भी विधायक उधर जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। और रोज रोज जो अफवाह उड़ा रहे हैं, उनको मैं चुनौती देता हूं कि किसी एक आमदार का, विधायक का नाम तो बताइए। तो इस प्रकार की अफवाहें अखबारों में छप सकती है, एक हेडलाइन बन सकती हैं, लेकिन इसके नीचे, इसके पीछे कोई तथ्य नहीं है।
Well, we've heard both sides. Shweta joins us now. Shweta, what is happening in the Shiv Sena, in the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena? Is there dissatisfaction within, or is it with the allies, or is it just a fabrication of the UBT?
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, the political turmoil is not ending anytime sooner in the state of Maharashtra. Precisely, if we talk about Shiv Sena, there have been certain reports floating that Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction is certainly unhappy by not getting the cabinet post. Now, what we understand is that MP Srirang Barne has come up to media and he has expressed his displeasure, talking about that Shiv Sena comparatively doing well, well from BJP in the state of Maharashtra, gaining more seats than BJP in Maharashtra, but did not get even one berth. Now, what he expresses here, his dissatisfaction, is that there should have been 2 cabinet and 1 MOS at least for the Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde faction. Here there's also been, the dissatisfaction which has been expressed by him. However, there has been pointed silence from MP Shrikant Shinde. Remember, he is the parliamentary head for the Eknath Shinde faction of MPs. Here, talking on the other side, opposition, that's Shiv Sena UBT camp, has left no stone unturned so that they can hit time and again over the Eknath Shinde faction of Shiv Sena. Just a short while back, we have also heard from Anand Dubey. He is very categorically speaking that this is just the start of the political turmoil within the party. The conflicts have taken place.
Shweta, and if I may cut in and add another question, is this with the elections in mind? Is it with the Maharashtra elections in mind? Does the BJP not want to commit additional portfolios to its allies before the polls are held?
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, what we are getting to learn from our top BJP sources is that they are waiting for the next upcoming elections and they do not want to take any kind of chance, because remember, Vidhan Sabha elections are playing a very crucial role over here. So yes, they are onto the wait and watch game, but at the same time there have been reports of uncertainty and dissatisfaction among Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction.